Lesson 1-5 is addition and subtraction of real numbers. A reminder that if this is your first time using videos, to please make sure the audio output is up so that you can hear it, and please make sure you're listening to the speaker so that you know when to pause the videos to do examples. For addition of numbers with the same signs, we want to find the sum of their absolute values and apply the sign to the answer. For example, positive 3 plus positive 5 is equal to the absolute value of positive 3, which is 3, plus the absolute value of positive 5, which is 5. And we get 8. The answer is positive 8. Negative 2 plus negative 7, we take the absolute value of both and we get 9. But we apply the sign and it's negative 9. If we're doing addition of numbers with different signs, we're going to find the difference of their absolute values and then give the answer the sign of the greater absolute value. For example, negative 3 plus positive 5 would be the absolute value of 5 minus the absolute value of negative 3. That gives me 2. And since 5 was the greater of the two absolute values, we give it a positive sign. For positive 2 plus negative 8, we take the absolute value of negative 8 and the absolute value of 2 and subtract them to get 6. Since the absolute value of negative 8 had the greater value, we give it a negative sign. Subtraction of sign numbers has one rule. It's called add the opposite. You want to change the sign from a negative to a positive and change the sign of the second number. From there, you should use your rules of addition to find the correct answer. For example, negative 5 minus a positive 4 should be negative 5 plus a negative 4, which gives me negative 9. And negative 3 minus a negative 5 would be negative 3 plus a positive 5, which gives me a positive 2. Here are some examples. Pause the video at this point to give yourself a chance to do the examples on your own. Here are your answers. Positive 3 plus negative 6 gives me a negative 3. Negative 7 plus a positive 2 gives me a negative 5. Negative 19 plus a negative 15 gives me a negative 34. Negative 5 minus a positive 7 would give me a negative 12. Positive 7 minus a positive 8 will give me a negative 1. And negative 15 minus a negative 14 would also give me a negative 1. Please make sure to consult your teacher if you're having issues with this particular lesson.